Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can integrate Asana with Slack or vice versa. So I will show you on both the platforms. So if you are on Asana and you want to integrate it with Slack, for that you need to go to Home in the left panel, and then here you need to click on Browse Integrations and click on this blue button right here. It will open up a new window. Here you need to search for Slack. If you scroll down, you will see Slack right here. Click on this, and after that you need to click on Install Slack for Asana, and here you need to click on Add to Slack. So now Slack will require the permission. You need to allow it and then click on Allow, and there you have successfully connected Asana with Slack. Now if you are on Slack and you want to connect Asana with it, for that you need to click on Add Apps, and here you need to search for Asana. You need to click on it, but since I have already linked Slack on the Asana website, so you can see that I am already linked with Asana. So I hope you found this video useful. Please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching.